Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this case is made by Spigen. It's the Spigen Liquid Air P. Now the P stands for pen. This is the case for the S Pen that Spigen made. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, now before we get started, let me show you where you get it from. You can get it from Amazon. It's the Spigen Liquid Air P designed for the Galaxy S21 Ultra case. All right, there's the matte black. Now they have a regular case that you can use as well. That's the liquid air, but it doesn't support the S Pen. Now you can see the pictures right here. It does have a slot for the S Pen. And I was interested in getting this because I wanted to see what the difference was and if it might be better than the case that Samsung made for the S Pen. All right, now this is $19.99. You can get it on Prime for $19.99. It's originally cost $25, but they've been selling it for $19.99. You get $5 off. So I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, now here's the box right here. Spigen S21 Ultra 5G. For the Samsung Galaxy phone. Not much else branding on the back, some little small print there. But let's go ahead and pull this out. Spigen has the easy tab pull. I like that. I wish everybody did that. And you got a couple of things inside, a little bit of literature here. This tells you how to put the S Pen in and use it. It's a little bit different than the case that Samsung made, so I'll show that to you when I put it in there. All right, but here's the case. Now I have been using this case for a couple of days, and I do like it. I will tell you that. Now you got a little pattern inside right here, and it's a silicone case. You have the smooth side with a little bit of pattern right here, and the back has these little grooves right here. They're pretty fine, and it's a little bit. It's not as sticky as the one Samsung made, but you get good grip because you got this side here that has some grippy pattern in the side, so it does. You can grip it, no problem. And the S Pen area, you can see, has a cutout in the front. As you can see, you'll be able to see the S Pen exposed a little bit more. And this case actually is a little bit slimmer when you look at how thick it is than the Samsung case. But to me, it seems like this is a little bit wider this way. And one of the reasons for that is because you can only put this pen in on the flat side with the name of the pen showing either the front or the back. You can't put it any other way because they won't fit in here. All right, and it's a little bit more exposed, but it's very tight. It won't come out or anything like that, and I'll show it to you in a minute. Okay, now you got a cutout for the camera. Unlike the Samsung case, it's not covered. It doesn't cover the camera, but you do have a raised area that's going to protect your camera right there. It won't be a problem. All right, the cutouts all line up. You got your speaker and your charging port right there. It's opening for the mic, and you got your mic openings up top as well. All right, now let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see how it looks. Okay, now here's the device. Let's go ahead and put it inside, this fits nice. It has a nice fit, and it's pretty snug, and it's got a slim look to the top. Now you do have some raised area on the front, on the top and bottom, so it's going to protect your screen. But the sides are not like raised up too high. It's a little bit higher than the screen, but it's not too high, and it doesn't feel too bad to hold in the hand. All right, and it doesn't feel bulky like the Samsung case does. To me, the Samsung case feels bulkier. You see the camera is not covered, but it is raised up, so you're going to be protected there. All right, no problem. And you got this this feels better to me than the Samsung case. Now let's get the S Pen and put it inside. Now, what I was telling you is this is the S Pen for the S21 Ultra. Now, this is where the Samsung branding is right here. Now, when you put this in, you can only put it in with that branding either facing the front or the back. If you try to put it in this way, like flat like that, it's not gonna work because it wasn't designed that way. So you push it into the side like this. What I usually do, I just get that bottom in and I just push that in, and then it's inside. So it's nice and slim. I mean, nice and secure. It's not going to come out or anything, and it's going to be protected there. You see that? You see the branding is in the front right there. All right. Now, one of the things you can see this a little more exposed than the Samsung case. The Samsung case, this will all be covered because this comes out a little further on the Samsung case up top. Now, I like this for some reason because it kind of gives us a different look and feel because you can see this pin. So it feels like this is an extension of the case, but the case is a little bit slimmer. I know that may not be the actual case, but it just feels and looks better to me than the Samsung case. It just seems like you got a little slot there for the pen, but the case doesn't seem as bulky. Easy to pull out, just grab the pen, pull it out, no problem. And then when you got to put it back in, you just make sure you got the tip at the bottom there, so you have the room, and you slide it back in. Okay, so a little more involved when you put it back in and take it, and when you put it back in than the Samsung case. The Samsung case you can put in anywhere you want, and it'll fit in no problem. Okay, but this one's a little bit different. But I like this better because it's slim and it feels better in the hand to me. And when you put this in your pocket, it won't stick to everything and pull your drawers out and everything. When you put the Samsung case in your pocket, you better get ready for everything you got in your pocket to come out, including your underwear. All right, because that thing is sticky. It's sticky because it got grip, but not good for putting in your pockets. All right. Now let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, so we got the wireless charger right here. Let's put it on. Should work pretty fine. Okay, so it's fully charged. This phone is fully charged already, but it says right there it's fully charged, so you see it picked it up. No problem there. Let's check out how it does standing up. Okay, still picked up the wireless charge, no problem. It's 100% charged there. And the same thing when you lay it down. All right, it's going to pick up the charge there. It recognizes the charger. But the phone is already fully charged, all right? So that works well. Now, Spigen never has a problem with these devices charging on the wireless charger, so that works pretty well, all right? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Spigen Liquid Air P case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the case for the S Pen that Spigen made. I think it's great that they did that, and I think the case is better than the Samsung case. Even though the Samsung case is good, there's a lot of things I like better on this one better than the Samsung case, and I'll talk about that later in another video. All right, now I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. I recommend this case. All right, if you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.